sucks you in and it takes you for a spin. It's like a hurricane rushing in. It's the love, everywhere. You can stay outside, if you dare. It's the love, everywhere. You can stay outside, if you dare. Yeah. Love is like a star tonight. Love is like a star tonight. Tonight. Love in the air. Love in the clouds. Love like a flood. And it's pouring down.
Towards the stars. Try and try, but I can't catch hold. There's a fire that burns inside me. Everywhere that I seem to go, I end up empty-handed. Have you seen what I'm trying to find? I've been looking far and wide, high and low, low and high. In the dark, can't find the light. Maybe I've been looking in the wrong place the entire time. Maybe I should search inside. Was a long dark road, and then there's light. What once was lost now is in my sight. Only right that I leave behind the limitations made by my mind. It's in the past and I'm satisfied. I think I finally found it. Have you seen what I'm trying to find? I've been looking far and wide, high and low, low and high. In the dark, can't find the light. Maybe I've been looking in the wrong place the entire time. Now I'm some kind of empire,
Reign over everything, take over everything. Reign over everything, take over everything.
take over the world. You and I together, nobody can stop us, putting our empire.
Reign over everything, take over everything.
All I want is everything, 'cause we're kings and queens. Why pretend to be anything less? I'm a goddess.
Don't be modest when we run this kingdom. It's gonna be monstrous.
If having everything that I want is wrong, I don't wanna be right. Sitting high on my throne in control, this is some kind of lie.
Reign over everything, take over everything. Reign over everything, take over everything.
Take over the world, you and I together, nobody can stop us,
owe it to you to set you free. Cause you'll be better off without me. We gotta get real and leave this alone. We don't go together, we're so wrong for each other. You're a royal cool and I'm an average Joe. You gotta understand that we have to break. Sorry, it's over. Sorry, it's over. Sorry, it's over. I'm living my dream, so can I get a boo, yeah? Can I get a scare, yeah? You see the bright lights on this big city, things flying by in the New York minute. Too many things in the day to try to fit in. All of you should stand up and dance, no sit in. Straight up out the tune, big dreams on my mind. Gotta find my way in this New York way of life.
It's the place we all wanna go. Be the star of the show. Other towns are terrific, but let's be specific. New York is the best.
Just read the hieroglyphics.
I wanna test my limits. I gotta find a new way.
Got a new name, now let's hear all the cool say.
Go Pharaoh, go Pharaoh, go. For every time that they told us no,
No more stitches.
I'm letting them go.
Let 'em fly, young fool.
And I'm ready to roll.
Who you are?
I'm Caddy the star on a New York journey, and we wanna go far. Feel the music all around me, even in my heart, and I like your style.
Catch me out. You're the coolest cool around, and your sound makes me wanna unearth myself. Come from the underground.
And the time is right now.
Oh, it's gonna be never.
Found each other in the moon, and let's do it together now. It's the place we all wanna go. Be the star of the show. When you're out in New York, New York, do the things that we love the most. Be the star of the show. Our story. Because we all are shooting stars. I am the light in the dark. For every one of you there is a song. From outer space above to your hearts.
Burn in the sky with love, like the dark from above. Hear the sound of our voices, make the world recognize us. It's time that we rise up.